Tiny and Milo, little adventures, big lessons.
Save a little, dream a lot. Put your coins in one small spot. Step by step and day by day, big dreams grow in a patient way. I will save and wait, even when it feels too late. Slow and steady, I can see, patience brings good things to me. Wait and work, don't rush through. Good things come when you stay true. Little coins can shine so bright, helping dreams come into sight. I can say, I can try, watch my goal grow high and high. One more coin, one more cheer, my big dream is getting near. Help at home and do your part. Save with hope inside your heart. Small good choices one by one turn hard work into fun.